In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share games on Steam Desktop. We'll walk through setting up Steam's family features so your household can access your library safely and easily. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the Steam Desktop app on the account that owns the games you want to share, and that Steam is up to date. Start by opening Steam. In the top left corner of the window, click the Steam menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where you'll find all the controls that affect your account and app behavior, including features related to sharing and family access. Inside Settings, select the Family section from the sidebar. This area is dedicated to Steam's family system, which lets you manage sharing, permissions, and safeguards in one place. It's the central hub for setting up a family group and controlling who can see and play your library. Next, click Create or Join a Steam family. If someone has already invited you to their group, you can accept that invite here. For this walkthrough, we'll create a new family. Choose Create a Family to begin setting up your own group. You'll be prompted to enter a family name. Pick something clear and recognizable. This is the label you and your members will see across Steam. Once you've typed the name, click Create. Steam will generate your family group and prepare the tools you'll use to manage it. At this point, your family is created. From here, you'll be able to invite members, adjust permissions, and decide how your shared library is used. Keep in mind that not every title is eligible for sharing due to publisher restrictions, and in many cases, only one person can play a shared license at a time. If someone can't see the shared library right away, restarting Steam or ensuring the app is online for the first sync usually helps. That's it. You've set up a Steam family and laid the groundwork for sharing your games. Explore the family settings to fine-tune access and enjoy a smoother, safer way to play together on Steam.